Here's my, for now 9 landscapes for a rainy day. It's all glass, but glass with wires and other copper and stainless steel tape, and it's hard to even describe what it is. Found objects, and of course, in addition to this being a multi-layered kiln cast glass, it actually gets also elements cast or lamp produced glass attached to it also. Beads of some kind. Of course, you know, they're just kind of a sideshow. Well, here is some crystal glass again, but it's as I said, secondary. And there's several layers of this kind of wire drawing inside, and effervescent glass and different, you know, more opaque and translucent rod, and of course a lot of frit, different powders. So it's 25 years of playing with glass. I guess it's all just finally made it into this work. I don't know if it's a holy mountain or a lightning striking it, or not. Occasionally. These are landscapes of sorts, and of course the drawing with wires also reinforces it seriously. I mean, it's I tried to break one with a hammer and kicking it, and then eventually with a hammer, and it still didn't quite. Still, it's more or less what it was, with some holes which actually welcomed. Here is just so much to this opalescence, effervescence, and there's probably 10 other words for it which I never learned, but and it looks so different when it lit more stronger from behind. This one actually went through 4 visits in the kiln. Has a lot of, some of that is actually steel wool that actually I put rod on it and it melts into it, and it's just an amazing contrast. I'm not done with, going to go with it further, and of course there's some occasional beads and jewelry melted into these pieces. I like the play of light both at once from the front, which shows some of the opaque colors and more of what's inside the glass, but also lit from behind, because it shows the translucency and of course how the light, we see it from both sides. And what's at least the phone camera, which that's what I'm using, doesn't quite get, is the color that you can see the different layers. The color comes to us, and it's something That's actually what I like about glass, is that it looks one thing from distance, attracts, but then it draws you in and still inside the glass. Yeah, there's this one light from behind, and of course there's some crystals that just I thought would extend what's inside a little more 3D. Here's just a view of in my studio.